rug, I got my other rug. I got my other Greeky rug. Alright, I know. I'm a little bit obsessed with the Greeky. Yes, I know. You can see a Greeky on the curtain, right? Yes, I know. Alright guys, so this is what's up. I'm in love with this round Greeky rug, and I wanted that so bad, but it's too small. It's clearly too small. I lived with it for a few days now, and then I ordered a rectangle one just to compare. So I want you to be my witness, and let's decide this together. Round or a rectangle. So Viva la Viva America, you can order and return if you don't like. So these girl likes her options. I love my options. So we're gonna keep one and return the other, or maybe keep both, I don't know. And okay, the package is good. And you know what? In the same time, I'm gonna do a review about this rug. So this is the Unique Loom company rug that makes this. I swear I wasn't planning to do this, but you know what? Let's do it. So far, I like the other one. Like I said, I love it. But I wish I ordered it bigger. And I know it's another one that's a little bigger. But before I ordered the other one, I wanted to also see the rectangle one. So I have something to compare with, right? And I know what you're thinking. Probably I will say put this one in the other room, but I don't know. I like my orange accent in the dining room right there. So let's see. How we do this? Do we like the rectangle or do we like the round? So there is a good look at the round. I know it's small, smaller than what these rooms required. Honestly, I have to wait for someone to help me here to move the table and put the rug in a place there and figure that out. I need someone's help, and then we are going to decide. Ooh. Okay, I can do better than that, I promise. Okay, no more. Bon, come here. Come on, Bon. Look at this. Look what we got. We got a new rug. We got a new rug, Bon. All right, I'll see you later. Bon, which one? Round or rectangle? Finally found someone to move this. Here is the rectangle rug. Not sure how I feel about it after I have the round one there. I really like the round effect so much better. I know this follows the square lines that I have around the modern with the straight edges furniture. I do love how the Greeky follow the round edges. It's just so different, and I believe I'm going to order the bigger size. Once again, this is 6x6. I'm going to order the 8x8. And let me see the tag. There is the tag. It doesn't have the sticky backing, so it's just a normal. Hi! There we are again, huh? He loves the new rugs as well. He's humping all over the place. I don't know. Now I'm thinking, should I put the rectangle one in the dining room and have the round one here, the bigger one? Maybe. Maybe. We see. But here is what it looks like from all the angles. And the size for this is... And I know, I love this as well. Don't take me wrong. So if I wouldn't have the round option, I probably keep this one. It's 5 by 8. There you go. If you want to Google it up, I personally found it. One was from Home Depot and the other one was from Amazon. They were different in prices, so I searched to find the best deals. So that's why I got one from there and one from there. And the bigger one, I ordered it from Amazon, and it should be here shortly. My big rug just arrived. I'm not impressed. So sad. Look how they wrapped it. Not cool. This is the 8 by 8. I'm so disappointed. I hope it's not gonna be all wrinkled up. So let me open it and replace this one. Let's see. This is not good.
What's wrong with it?
Look how they wrapped it. Now I'm gonna have to leave it unfold and with some weights on it for like months to get back in shape probably. We see. But wow, this is much bigger. Ooh. At least they send the right color. So big. Yes, this is gonna be the right size. All right. It's gonna take a good vacuum and let's see. All right, let me put it under the table right there. So I think I changed my mind. Now we're gonna put it in the dining room. Now I'm used to the rectangle one. So let's just take the round one and put it in the dining room. And let's see how that goes. It seems like a good size for there as well. 95 inches. And he's excited like a baby. Like a baby when we get new stuff. He wants to try them all. He's a happy boy. Good morning. Here we are the day after. The day after I opened the rug. So I decided to put it in my dining room. Yes, I think I like the rectangle one a lot better for this living room. As you can see. And I haven't returned it, so I decided to put it there. I decided to change the orange for just a minute. I'm gonna still keep the orange, of course. And as we talk, it's actually outside, just freshen up. I'm just gonna keep it there for a while, freshen it up, and then I store it in case I decide to go back to the orange. But I think you all agree that this fits the room so nice. I really love the size, and yeah, let's talk about just a little bit. And as we speak, let me grab my coffee, my cappuccino. Chin chin. All right, so what's going on here? Okay, and as we speak, I remember I was telling you about the small one as well. I placed it here just for a minute in my kitchen area, but I'm not gonna leave it. It's definitely too much patterns going on, and I don't want no rug underneath this table. It's gonna be the naked floor like was already before. Because if you look from the distance, you're gonna see that, you're gonna see this, you're gonna see the other one. It's cute, but it's definitely too much pattern going on. So I like it the way it looks, just like now. I know you saw me in my pajama going by. So I like it just like that. and I'm gonna keep it like this for a while. But look how beautiful this round fits my dining room. And I'm sorry about that piece right there. I'm kind of doing a painting transaction from a black piece. I'm doing it white, the furniture right there. So I need to put a few more coats of white to cover that. Now it looks like a Dalmatian spotty dog. And yes, what do we have here? An amazing rug. Definitely give it 5 stars. And as we talk, these wrinkles are going down even more. So remember, it came folded really bad. And they sent me a note that they're supposed to be folded like that due to the size shipping. So this is an 8-foot rug right there, and the small one is a 6-foot rug, right? So you can compare it. And here I have my dining table. As you can see how it fits pretty okay. I do like this look. Now when you pull the chair a little bit, the side chair, for someone when they sit down, you're gonna get that, you know, so just consider that. Just consider that if you're ordering this rug. Just take a bunch of measurements, and yeah. And this is a 72-inch table right here, and it's a little narrower than your standard, because I got this in Italy, this piece of marble, and their dining tables are a tad different than the standard American. So this is a 72 by, I believe, 40. I'm not sure at this point. Definitely a little bit narrower. But this is how this rug fits. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. How cute. I love the circle. I love the circle. Here's a close-up. Here's a close-up. Let me take a picture. This looks so good right here. So no, it doesn't have that backing. It's just a regular rug. Beautiful rug. The colors are true. It shows in this. The way it shows in my camera here, that's the colors. Beige and like a dark charcoal. Almost. I don't want to say black, but definitely a dark charcoal. Okay. And they comes in tons of other colors. So check them out. Unique looms. Definitely makes beautiful rugs. And here's the other one. Love it, love it, love it. So that's it for this video. This turned up to be a review for this rug, and definitely love it, and highly recommend this company so far. I will purchase again if I would have to. I hope not. And by the way, here I have a small one that I cut in half. Sorry about the mess. I have a client installation drapery in a few hours, so I'm preparing. But here's the other rug I cut in half, believe it or not. This was a... Let me show you what that was. Basically, that is a big rug, like that. Again, sorry about my kitchen too, my mess. Alright, so here's that rug, the size of the rug. So I got 2 of the big ones and I cut one in half. As you can see, I have one split one here and another one in the front door. Here's the little one. And yeah, I don't want to drag this too long, but definitely amazing rugs. Thanks so much. If you have any questions, let me know, and please subscribe and stay tuned for exciting projects. Bye guys. Let me know which one is your favorite, the round one, matchy one with the living, or the orange one. Let me know which one is your favorite.